How to clean car windows. I know you want to know how to clean your car windows. You want to know how to super clean your car windows. I'm going to show you right now, quick, easy, inexpensive way to make your car windows virtually see-through. Pay attention, here we go. Now you can send me something to review. I've got a P.O. box just for you. Send me anything. Wacky flavored sodas, awesome beads, super hot sauce, a burrito blanket, pictures of your wife. I'll review whatever you send me and give you a shout out. Mail me something from your house or send it from your favorite website. Include a note for me to read and I'll read it. Let's get those car windows crystal clear, super clean. Lots of products out there that market to do all kinds of car cleaning jobs. We don't need wax, we don't need tire cleaner, we don't need shine. We need a window cleaner. 3 options here. Dollar Tree Magic Power Window Cleaner, Rain-X 2-in-1 glass cleaner plus repellent, invisible glass. Those last 2 are expensive. Let's go with the $1. I'm also going to use a microfiber towel for step 1. Then I'm going to use this really cool glass cleaning towel that I got from Walmart. You don't need that. You can use newspaper, you can use paper towels, but this thing is really cool. It's under $5 at Walmart. So no invisible glass, no thank you. No Rain-X 2-in-1, no thank you. $1 bonus size Magic Power window cleaner in stock at your local Dollar Tree. Let's get through these steps. I'm going to show you just what to do. Step 1 is a heavy spray down. We're going to get rid of all that surface dirt, the surface grime. Second, we got to grab the basic microfiber towel and just rub it in, rub one out. We're going to get all that stuff off the top so we have a nice clean surface that we can achieve super shine, super see-through, super invisibility. We're going to go ahead, finish that up. Then we're going to go on to phase 2. Phase 2 is going to involve grabbing your clean glass cleaning towel or newspaper or paper towel. Skip the expensive stuff. Rain-X 2-in-1 glass cleaner, rain repellent. We do not need that. Go back to your cheapie, your bonus size Magic Power window and glass cleaner. Now you look at, after phase 1, you're looking at it and you're saying, the windows are pretty clean. I can see through them. Safety is achieved. But you want to do better than this. You want to treat your ride nice. You want to show it off for the weekend. So we're going to spray this window down. We're going to spray this glass down one more time. We're going to hit it with a towel. Hey, are any of you pee shy like I am? I always have been. I want to know what your method is. Leave it in the comments. What is your method to get over peeing in public? Personally, I do the ABCs and I try to think of a name while I'm doing it. So, it'll be Angela, Bobby, Catherine, Doug, a name that begins with E. And eventually my mind phases off of the guy next to me looking at my pee-pee, and then I'm able to let it flow. So here we go. I'm giving you another shot. We're going to step 2 of 2. So this is step B of 2, which is we're gonna spray it down, we're gonna wipe it down again, find a clean, dry area of your towel, your newspaper, your paper towel, and you're gonna hit it. You're gonna hit it one more time because we wanna make sure we did an extra good job. And look at that window in front of it. Look how dirty it is compared to what we're doing right now. It's looking good, but you wanna put another coat. Phase C of step 2 is you're gonna spray it down one more time, okay? Look at that. Look how clean this is becoming. This is showroom shine right here. Absolutely incredible. You're just gonna wipe it. Go ahead and keep wiping it. Oh, I got a phone call. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. And we're gonna go ahead and go to phase D of step 2, which is you're gonna take your glass cleaner and you're gonna spray that window down, because if you're going to do something, you want to do it right. Somebody told me that one day and I stick to it. So phase D, step 2, sprayed it down. We're gonna wipe it again, find another clean, dry spot of your towel, whatever you're using, and you're just gonna keep rubbing. You're gonna rub it. We're rubbing one out right here. We're rubbing all those water spots out They're tricky. You think the job's done, and then it's not done. A different angle here. Now, because of that thing that's going on right now, and we're isolating, you might want to get rid of any type of, flu viruses or anything like that. So you're gonna spray it down with Lysol. This is step 3. Okay, you sprayed it down with your Lysol, and now you're gonna just wipe that Lysol in. You're gonna create a barrier for any ickies that want to get in your car and make you start to sneeze and have a fever and stuff. We don't want that. The shine is looking great. Now we're gonna go to another step, which is spray it down with your window cleaner, because you really want to seal it in. And you see how quick this job is? This took no time at all. We're almost done. Really want to spray it? You want to keep spraying it, okay? You really want to saturate things, and once you've sprayed it nice and good, you get another clean part of your towel, you grab some new newspaper, and you know what we're doing here. We're gonna wipe it. We're gonna wipe it clean. We're wiping it down. We're getting rid of everything on there, any kind of cooties that could have gotten on there outside. Somebody might have sneezed right next to your vehicle. You don't want any of that. We're wiping that barrier in. We're wiping it out. Man, we're looking good right here. Look at that. So the next step, I believe this is step 9. Let's admire our work. Let's take a look at it. Look at this. This is like a mirror shine that also doubles as an invisible glass type deal. And it looks great, and this was so easy and so fast. It took no time at all. Leave a comment. I'm Ryan, Silly Reviews. Ryan here. Silly Reviews. Silly Reviews.